Omuhwezi wa mukuru w'akakiiko akatirwa Purezidenti Okumbireeba amagara ka State House Health Monitoring Unit Dr. Agacencwire najyangu batungiwe kwetombwita kwinji kurwo mu bantu bari kujyangu okutunga obuhereza y'irwariro rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital no banza watugera bashaho
mukuru bogedde ku nsonga yo kujjako abantu sente amazima gali nti mwekiri okay era nkimanyi Dr. Bulu ne bandi amanyi mwekiri ensonga eriwo nti okukwakwata abantu kuki kuzibu kakati mujja kutuyamba nti singa oli abakusabye sente ngolowooza tekisaanidde ennaku zo tulina amasimu gaffe gano osobola okubaako obujulizi bw'okola ki era waliwo betukutte
Semanda najyangu arona bari kwiba ebintu by'irwariro biri mu battery za motoka z'irwariro za computer obwama buri kukwata enkuba n'ebindi bikwato bya gavumenti.
Regional Referral Hospital involved the issues of theft. There were multiple thefts of very many things in the hospital. Theft of batteries of a new car, theft of medicines, theft of laptops, theft of lightning conductors and other metals, and vandalism. And indeed, we established that it is true for some of those, and there is one staff who is under investigation for that, for theft.
When they came about 2 days, we arrested someone trafficking out units of blood. Yes, and this person was arrested. We also arrested someone taking out drugs, was even prosecuted and even arraigned in courts of law. We have arrested very many people. We have arrested people.
Ebibiro bw'akakiiko akakabire kine ekiganiro n'abantu abari kukwatwa nsonga z'irwariro eri omukyayikisha amaze kya bomo mu rurembo rwa Hoima.
Ensonga ekusembayo abadaktari betwina abadoctors tibakumala. Omukyalo akibalizo kati abaino mwami oli n'akibalizoho yagamba okusanga abalwaire babalikeire bana abayintani tibakamazire kusoma tibamanyire kibasemerire kukola kyokka n'osanga omulwaire ali kubi muno hariho bayintani hariho buno bwana bwanansinga obutoito buno bukutagiza kuno naku nti mumayine kibusemerire kukola.
Issue y'obutaba na senior surgeon omubwire I faced it habwokuba incident ekabaho kya mukaaga nibatugamba doctor ali supposed kumukoraho taroho till Monday. So obwire obu bukaba bwobunkenke muno esara tukasaba nyingi muno kyokka Mukama Ruhanga yatukora kurungi till Monday when that surgeon came kandi yasobora kumukoraho.
Omukwetonganaho Dr. Ibrahim Bwagorukura Hoima Regional Referral Hospital ashoborira amiringo yibatiro kurwanisa mwabiru kubagambwa aho hirwariro eri.
Tugezaako okujjanjaba naye tukiriza feedback eno twagala tukyuse empeereza tutereere ate njagala okwogera nga nkakasa nti eddwaliro kati tulinawo enkyukakyuka ze twateeka obuweereza buli better.
If one person tries to extort or coerce you to pay money for a service, please take note of that person. It could be their contact, or you can go even an extra mile. Before you agree to the transaction, you photocopy that money. We have the police next door. Okay? As you've noted that person will be taken.
Ogutumurundo gwo kubanza nsonga zo kushaba sente abarwire n'obushomano bugambwa hirwariro eri abwo kuba 2025 kikaba cyabireho. Amakuru agasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.